Hey everybody, I'm Octavia Klein, and today we are going to be unboxing the Ninja V. This is one of the most awesome HDR monitor recorders. Okay, so this is a 5-inch 4K monitor recorder, the Ninja V. We're going to be doing the unboxing right now. Here we go. Slide her out. Look at this. Ooh, look at that brand new baby right there. Okay, she's got a little pull tab here. So here it is, right here. I'm not going to take off this beautiful tape yet. All right, and then inside the box, okay, so we have here our 4K monitor, and we've got our mic line, our headphones, remote. We have our 2 HDMI cable right here, which is really awesome now. But I have a bonus to this, which is I also got the accessory kit for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. I did have to get 2 external cables for this because I am about to invest in the new Lumix 5X Mark II, and so I had to get a new cable for that, and I had to get a cable for my Canon, all right? This is the accessory kit. So in this right here is the HPRC case, control cable, the 5200 millimeter AH battery. There's 2 of those. There's a fast charger and docking station for 2 points. There's a DC to D tape cable, a master caddy, a power supply, and an HDR sun hood. I got this at Sammy's Camera, and this was actually normally like, I think it was like 400 bucks, but when you buy these 2 together, this is only $129, which is really awesome. One. So this is pretty badass, I have to say. All right. Ooh, look at that. And now this, I could pop it out and put it in here, but actually I kind of like that this kind of just fits right in here and it just gives it a more cozy spot. So I'm just gonna put that right in there like that, and then I've got a place to keep all of my cables. So in here is all the other accessories, the extra batteries that you're gonna need. Look at that. Ain't she pretty? Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna put her back in here. And here's the, but wait, there's more. I did not realize that there is actually a second compartment under here. And we have this very lovely sun hood mounting. Okay, so you have a sun hood mounting for your external screen, and it comes with a nice strap in here for the case. There's an additional battery plug right here. An additional battery port right here, the cord to plug it into the camera, some additional, these are your plugs for international plugs, and some extra goodies. So we get all this stuff that's extra in here, and this gives me a place to put some things of my own, and voila. Ta-da! Okay, so thanks for joining me for the unboxing of the Ninja V plus the accessory kit. If you like this video, please push the like button. And if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe.